Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you my routine for cleaning out our vehicle, and I'm also going to give you a quick tour of our new vehicle that we got, so enjoy! We recently got a 2017 Ram truck. This is the Bighorn Edition crew cab. Our old car had just about seen its last days. It was getting really old, so it was time for an upgrade, and we are loving this truck. We live way out in the country. We've got dirt roads, and so having a truck where we live is kind of essential, and it's really spacious inside, so great for kids. I'll give you a quick peek in the front seat here. Very spacious, lots of room. This middle console here, you've got the screen up top, and it also has heated seats and heated steering wheel, which is really nice in the cold mornings in the wintertime. There's so much storage in this truck. First you have this middle console here where this top lifts up and you can keep stuff in here, and there's lots of USB plugs, 3 cup holders, and then this also pulls up and is a middle seat, so that's nice to have the option to have an extra seat, and then that seat pulls up as well and you have even more storage under there. You've got this little flip up storage here on the passenger side, and then of course the glove box down here, and the back seat is so roomy. That's one of my favorite features of the truck, is this how roomy this back seat is. And here I'll just give you a peek back here. This middle area has tons of room, and I'm able to fit all of my groceries in here on the floor, which is awesome. And on either side on the floor in the back seat, you lift up this mat and it's got this storage bin, so you just lift up the lid, and then you've got this storage bin in here with lots of room, and you can pull this out, so it would work great as a trash can. It's great to store stuff in here too. Now I'll get into my vehicle cleaning routine. The first thing I do is take 2 bags, whether that be plastic bags or cloth bags. One is for trash, and then the other one is for stuff that isn't trash, and I'll just go through the whole vehicle, take out all the trash and take out everything that doesn't belong in there to take into the house. And this truck is only a month old, so obviously it's not that dirty yet. I should have filmed this video when we had our old car, because when I would go to clean it out it would be pretty dirty. But if you try to just take everything back inside that you brought out to the vehicle with you when you go somewhere and bring in any trash and throw it away, that can help you to maintain a little bit cleaner of a vehicle. And then I will take the truck through the car wash. I usually take it to the car wash about every other week. Like I said, we have a lot of dirt roads where we live, so the vehicle gets dirty pretty quickly. And you can use the vacuums at our car wash for free, so after I take the truck through the car wash, I will just vacuum it there. And I will always vacuum the truck every time I take it through the car wash every other week, and that just helps for the crumbs and the dirt and stuff not to build up, and just keeps it under control. Once I get back home, then I will quickly dust the truck, and I love this handheld microfiber duster that I got online. We got it a long time ago, so I don't think they sell it anymore, but I'll try to find a similar one and link it down below. It seems like the dust builds up on this front console of the truck so quickly, and the dash. And I didn't notice until after I filmed this video that I had that spot there on the sleeve of my shirt. That's kind of embarrassing, but I was cooking before and I must have got some on my jacket, and then I didn't realize before I filmed the video. And I also like to use this microfiber cloth to wipe down like the screen, and it's also great to wipe in the vents and stuff. And I will also use a damp microfiber cloth just to wipe off like the center console here, or to spot clean the seats. And if you have spots that you can't get out of the seat with just a damp cloth, then I will use some all-purpose cleaner. Kyle's car seat has these great slide out cup holders, but they can get dirty really quickly, and so I will wipe those out as well. And lastly, if you have rubber floor mats and they're really dirty, you can pull those out and hose them down and scrub them down as well, but they weren't that dirty, so I didn't have to do that this time. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.